Oh, look how deep this snow is. Even with my snowshoes, it's going up to my kneecap. There's probably 2.5 feet of fresh snow since yesterday. I got a sneaky suspicion that my car might be very stuck when I find it. I think I got some digging to do. I've got about 100 yards of unplowed road to go. That's gonna be tricky. We've got absolutely no visibility. Don't need visibility unless we can drive somewhere. Hey, not bad. I got like 75 feet with that. Let's dig it out and try it again. Oh, that's a long way to go. I was giving it a bunch of throttle and it just popped on me and I kind of smelled this burning smell, and now only 2 of the wheels are spinning. I think I boogered up the all-wheel drive. Got a gentleman in a big 4x4 pickup who might be able to help get me out. That's pretty sick. Oh, we're doing it. All right, man, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Hey, you too. That pickup truck was a monster. If it wasn't for that, I would have been here for a long time.